Hi YouTube, in this set of tutorials what I'm going to be showing you how to do is creating a very nice professional looking website. Now we're going to be creating the graphics and the layout using Dreamweaver, Photoshop and maybe Fireworks. So let's get started with the first video. In this first video I'm going to be showing you how to make the header for the website. So we'll need Photoshop for this, so go ahead and create a new document. So go File, New. Now we want the width to be 900 and the height to be 150 and the background contents transparency. Press OK and let that load. Right, now this is our header. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is just draw a box all over your header like that, just to give it a fill. Now in this area here, double click and it'll bring up the layer style dialog. Now we want to add one thing, gradient overlay. Set the angle to 0 and the colours, set the first one to a rather darkish sort of grey and the next one to a kind of lightish darkish sort of grey, and click OK and then you should get that. Now press OK again and create a new layer down here. Now we need to get the brush tool and get a nice size brush that fills up your document like that, and hardness 0. Set your foreground colour to white and then just click and set it your layer style to overlay, and then get your text tool, wait for your text tool to load, click and type whatever the name of your company is. So I'm going to type CosmicTuts. Now I'm using a font called Arista 2.0 which is from thefont.com. Just position that there. Then we're going to add a layer style to that as well, and we're going to add a stroke of 1 black and also a pattern overlay, and then I'm just going to add one of these. I'm going to go with that one. It's a pattern set from brusheasy.com, which I'll find the link for and put it in the description. Okay, now we need to insert something that represents your company or whatever, so I'm just going to make a shape up. So I'm going to go to the custom shape tool and we'll have a, let's see, light bulb I suppose. Create new layer and just drag out the light bulb like that and position it where you want it like that. Now you can add some more effects to that if you want, but I'm not gonna. Now the final thing we want to do is get our box tool again, rectangle tool, hold click down on that and get your rectangle tool and just draw a box about a third of the way up from the bottom like that, and then you'll get a solid white box. Now we want to make sure it's in black, so just select it, press shift F5 and use black. OK, we want to set the opacity to about 40%, 30% depending on what you like, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's how you make the header so far, and that transparent overlay there is what we're going to use for our navigation bar in one of the future tutorials. So make sure you stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, rate and subscribe.